Hi, I'm Ben with Safe Drive Solutions, your dashcam specialist, and today we're going to talk about where does the dashcam video footage go? Oftentimes people get confused in terms of where, I put this thing in my vehicle and magically it records. Where do the videos go? Does it go to my phone? Like automatically? Does it go into like some sort of cloud storage? Or where do the videos go? So anyways, if you guys have any questions, leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now we're going to get right into it. So where does the dashcam video footage go? Well, we're going to give you a couple examples. So on this ThinkAware dash camera, you can see there's a little slot at the bottom here. We're going to pop that out. You can see this is just a miniature micro SD card. Now, when you actually take a look at that, this one here is about 16 gigs that comes with this unit. It's going to store about 1 hour of continuous record time. That little micro SD card is what saves all the dashcam video footage. Now, we take a look at, say, like the iRoad X11, and if we see here on the side, there's a little spot here for the micro SD card. Now, some people don't even realize that the micro SD card is in these units because you take your phone, you pair an app to the unit, and then you download the videos that you would like to have directly onto your phone. So it does not save to your phone. And I've had people ask me why. Why won't it save to your phone? So let's use this as an example. I have an iPhone here. This iPhone is about 128 gigs. Like I just told you, this unit here has 16 gigs of storage, which is about 1 hour of continuous record time. Now, someone like me who's doing mobile installation on site and I drive around, a lot of times I'm driving around about 2 to 3 hours per day. So in a matter of 3 days of driving, I would completely fill up my phone. My iPhone would be completely filled, which means there's no room for photos, no room for apps, no room for emails. You get the point now, right? There's no room for anything. So first things first, let's say you get into a car accident, you need to download a video. Take your phone, you pair it to the dash camera, and then you log in to the recording list of the dash camera. You find the event or the normal recording, and then you go in and you download it directly to your phone. Once it's downloaded directly to your phone, you can then view it on your phone and zoom in, see if you can get the license plate. Those kinds of things can be done. That is one way and the most common way that our clients utilize a dash camera and access the SD card footage. Another common way to view your video dash cam footage is to take the micro SD card out and use an adapter to view it on your computer. So this typically comes with all dash cameras. It looks like a full-size SD card, but it isn't. Often people get mistaken and think this actually is, but it doesn't. You take the little micro SD card, you put it in here. Now, some computers have a full-size SD card slot, so you can take this and put it in. If you do not, what I recommend doing is getting a USB drive like a USB adapter that has a micro SD card input. Some of the higher end dash cameras come with it in a box, but not all of them actually do. So I'd recommend doing that. So let's see what it looks like to view dash camera footage on a computer. So we have the desktop software open for an iRoad dash camera, and you can see we're actually viewing the footage. Right now we're looking at a normal recording. We can change it to impact. So if we're concerned about some impacts that might have happened while we're driving, we can actually look at that. Now, obviously I do a lot of driving, so we can be concerned about speed bumps, potholes, those kinds of things, aggressive braking, right? That all comes up as impacts. So we can go look, parking mode, and it'll actually show you exactly a lot of the parking mode. And parking mode's doing time lapse, so you'll see some of them look really fast, the videos too. So you can view all this right here on your computer. These are the two most common ways to view your dash cam video footage, other than an LCD screen. If you have an LCD screen dash camera, you can view it right on the LCD screen. So, if you have any questions, feel free to leave it down below. Love to help you out. Hopefully this helped you as well, explaining on if you buy a dash camera, what to expect when you get one. Have yourself a great day.